Hey, it's Dave from Some Days Today RV, and I got a tip for you that I know you're going to love. A lot of us have videos about equipment and tools and modifications we've done to our RVs, but this will be my first attempt at a food video that I think is critical for your performance with your RV, especially on travel days. And that's when most of us are in a little bit of a toot, so to speak, to get going, get packed up, get everything set, get going, hit the road. And most of us drink coffee or tea or maybe even hot cocoa. So we probably already have some hot water. This is one of the big ingredients that you need for this particular breakfast that's quick, easy, delicious, and no fuss, no muss, very easy cleanup. And that is Bob's Red Mill oatmeal cups. This happens to be the apple cinnamon, one of my favorite, but they also have blueberry hazelnut and a couple other different flavors. And this is not a promo just for Bob's. Kodiak also puts out these oatmeal cups. Not quite my favorite as much as Bob's, but it's a good product as well. And it's quick, it's easy, it's nutritious. It puts something in your gut, and you'll be ready to go to hit the road. So hopefully that's a great food tip for you. It was great offering this up, something a little different than what I usually do. And we'll see you down the road.